Hello friend, welcome to Golang tutorial. This is Golden Thumb. In the last video, we create our long-term GitHub repository bridge-go, right? To build our socket server. And this is our entry point, the package main, the main method here. But we only have a hello bridge. Okay, let's put back when we demoed the socket server, which serves a single chess move. Okay, and let's start from scratch like that. So we only need a few lines of code here, right? Like we create a listener using the net module. Okay, so listener is actually a server socket listener. So we met this guy, short declaration. It means merge the declaration and initialization together. We'll explain that shortly. So listen. You see the signature of this function is network, right? Like the protocol here, what UC, UDP or TCP or UDP, right? And address. Okay, so we use TCP here, and address, the port number is 50,000 in our case currently for now. Okay, so now we use a special case of for loop. No, we don't need that. Yeah, so the basic one is something like that, right? This is our I, right? That's then something I plus plus. And in Golang, for loop is the only loop it supports. There's no while loop. We don't need that. This is like, if we put the condition here, right? For like it's always true, then it will loop forever, like while true. So for, in our case, we use that. We'll try to get the socket by calling this one, right? Dot accept. We can get the socket out. This is a broken code, so it returns two things: the socket and an error code. So we don't use that for now. We still use the colon equal for the short declaration. It put the declaration of this guy together with its initialization. Net dot. No, it's not net. Now it's listener dot accept. Is there any? No, there's no. Wait a minute. Let's save it. Yeah. So after we save it, I missed, yeah, the error code here. Now save again. Oh, what does he complain? Oh, you see, this is a good feature of Golang. If you define a variable and you don't use it, it's an error. It's not allowed. We have to use it, yeah. Otherwise, there's no need to define it, right? Okay, so here is how we use it. And the error code here, this guy. Yeah, now the autocomplete pops up. Okay, accept. Cool. This is a broken code. So that's why the server, right, is blocked here, listening on the port of this port. Every time after a socket client connect to this port, right, it goes down. Okay, so we can output something here using printf format. All right, so format, and this is the whatever we want to print. Okay, so here the format, we can use this one for string, right, and we use this to show two of the address and the port number for the client server. This is our local one, and the next one is our remote one, the client one, remote, yeah, address. Now if we save, oh, you see this one is added automatically and there's no complaint. Of course we need to send out, right, after we have this connection, we send out our game move. So we use the IO module library, right, to write the string, yeah, like that. So the first one is writer. We'll learn this later. The socket, CONN, the connection, the socket implements the writer interface. So we can just put it here, and what the string we want. Okay, so we use backtick, backtick, right, backticks. If we use this one, it doesn't work. If we use this, right, that's what we use in most of the programming languages. We send out this, but Golang will make this string literal, right, to something like this: 0, space. You will add the space behind the scene. We don't need that. It will break our protocol with the client side, so it's not acceptable. It's like that. This will break the because now the separator becomes, instead of a comma itself, it's comma and space. No, this is not tolerable. Okay, so but using the backtick can. So for this one, now the output will be this with the literal \n. It's still not what we need. We need the line break character here at the end. So that's why we cannot use this either. So one of the solutions is just append this one. This works. We already tested in our previous videos. Okay, so this is our socket server, and it should work. Let's see. Here is our bridge, right? .go, cat bridge.go. Yeah, this is our code. So we can run it like that. Bridge. Okay. And yeah, if we like, we can add one more line here. Print line, like socket server listening on this, on port that, right? Save it. and run again. Circuit server listening on pod. Okay, now let's make sure it works. Then I'll commit this to GitHub server so you guys can play with the code if you like, right? And let's bring up our iOS. Well, is it okay? So yeah, let's use the iOS client to test this guy. So we should get one single chess move, right? After the connection. The chess move will be 0, 0 to 3, 3. So from here to here. It's an illegal move, but anyway, connect localhost and 50,000 connect. Yes. Oh, now it shows up here. Oh, I forgot to put a like a line break here. So if I reset and connect again, the output is not good. Yeah, like that. So let's add it, and here, right? Put it here like that. Control C and run again. Circuit closed. Reset and connect. Yeah, now we have the line break after each output. Reset, connect. Yeah, now let me commit this code to our GitHub server. Okay, so git status. Yeah, we modified this, right? If we check the difference, git diff, because there's only single file, so it will list all the difference. Yeah, it's like that. We remove the hello bridge and add a new code. So we can do git commit or implement it, right? Implement a socket server serving a single chess move, like that. Okay, push, enjoy. Yeah, this is our GitHub repository. You can find the Golang source code there, and thank you for watching. See you next time.